Is robotic process automation, or RPA, truly on its deathbed? This is a question that's been stirring the tech world recently. To fully comprehend the implications of this query, we must first understand what RPA is and the role it plays in our technological ecosystem. Robotic process automation, often shortened to RPA, is a technology that facilitates the automation of repetitive tasks. Imagine a virtual assistant tirelessly working round the clock, performing tasks that would otherwise be mundane and time-consuming for humans. This is the essence of RPA. It's designed to save time, increase efficiency, and reduce the likelihood of human errors. Now, is this technological marvel really dying? Well, that's a question with an answer that's not as straightforward as one might think. The tech industry is a rapidly evolving beast, constantly adapting and transforming. Any technology, despite its initial success or failure, is subject to this relentless cycle of change. So, when we talk about RPA dying, it's essential to understand that this doesn't necessarily mean it's becoming obsolete or irrelevant. Instead, it could indicate that it's evolving, morphing into something better, more efficient, and more suited to our ever-changing technological landscape. It's like saying a caterpillar is dying when it forms a cocoon, only for it to emerge as a butterfly. The caterpillar hasn't died, it has transformed. Similarly, RPA might be undergoing a metamorphosis, transitioning into a more advanced form that better meets the demands of the modern tech industry. However, it's also possible that RPA is fading into the background as other technologies take center stage. The tech industry is a competitive arena, and it's not uncommon for once popular technologies to lose their limelight as newer, more innovative solutions come to the fore. So, is RPA dying, or is it simply evolving? That's the question we'll be exploring throughout this series. To fully understand the issue at hand, we must first delve into the past of RPA and trace its journey up to the present. Now let's delve into the past of RPA to understand its journey better. A trip down memory lane will help us understand RPA's origins and its initial purpose. Let's wind the clock back to the late 90s and early 2000s, when RPA, robotic process automation, was just a fledgling concept. Born out of the need to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks, RPA's primary goal was to increase efficiency and reduce human error. The first real-world applications of RPA were seen in the manufacturing and logistics industries. These sectors required high precision and speed, two things that RPA could deliver with ease. Automating processes like inventory management and shipping not only accelerated operations, but also minimized the risk of human mistakes. Soon, RPA's potential was recognized by other industries. Financial institutions, for example, saw great value in using RPA for tasks like data entry and transaction processing. With RPA, these businesses could process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, significantly boosting their productivity. One of the early adopters was a multinational bank that used RPA to automate its credit card application process. The result? A dramatic reduction in processing time from several days to mere hours. The bank also reported a significant decrease in errors, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Another example comes from the healthcare sector, where RPA was used to streamline patient data management. By automating the process of entering and updating patient records, healthcare providers were able to offer quicker and more accurate service. RPA also made waves in the retail industry. From managing stock levels to handling customer inquiries, automation tools played a pivotal role in improving operational efficiency and customer experience. These success stories underscore the transformative power of RPA. It reshaped how businesses operated, driving efficiency, accuracy, and speed. It made companies more competitive and agile, allowing them to deliver superior service to their customers. That was the past, but what about now? How is RPA faring in the present? Fast forward to the present, RPA seems to be at a crossroads. As we stand today, robotic process automation, or RPA, is in a state of flux. On one hand, it's being adopted widely across various industries, From finance, healthcare, and logistics to retail, the ability of RPA to automate repetitive tasks, increase efficiency, and reduce errors has made it a favored tool. But like any technology, it is not without its challenges. For starters, while RPA can handle repetitive tasks with ease, it struggles when it comes to complex processes that require human judgment. Additionally, the implementation of RPA is not always smooth sailing. It requires significant investment in time and resources, and the return on investment may not be immediate. Moreover, there's a growing concern about the impact of RPA on jobs. As automation takes over tasks previously done by humans, the question arises, what happens to these displaced workers? Critics argue that RPA may contribute to job loss and increased income inequality. Then there's the question of relevance. With rapid advancements in technology, some believe that RPA might soon be outpaced by newer, more advanced technologies. For instance, while RPA can automate tasks based on set rules, it lacks the ability to learn and adapt the way AI-based technologies can. This has led some to question whether RPA is a temporary solution soon to be replaced by more advanced automation technologies. So, is RPA dying? Well, the answer is not as straightforward as one might think. While there are challenges and criticisms, it's also true that RPA is making a significant impact. It's helping businesses streamline operations, improve efficiency, and save costs. As for the criticisms, they are not unique to RPA. Any disruptive technology tends to face resistance and skepticism initially. The present might be challenging, but what about the future? Can RPA adapt and evolve? Well, to find out, we'll need to delve into the future projections of RPA. So stay tuned. The future of RPA hangs in the balance, swinging between extinction and evolution. As we look ahead, the potential future applications of robotic process automation, or RPA, are as diverse as they are promising. From healthcare to finance, from customer service to supply chain management, RPA has the potential to revolutionize how we work, increasing efficiency and accuracy across a range of industries. However, the evolution of RPA is not guaranteed. Like any technology, its future depends on how well it can adapt to and overcome the challenges it currently faces. Let's delve into these future projections and their implications. One of the main challenges RPA must overcome is the perception that it will lead to job loss. While it's true that automation can replace certain repetitive tasks, it also creates opportunities for humans to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic work. The evolution of RPA could actually lead to a richer job market where human potential is fully utilized and valued. Another potential future for RPA lies in its integration with other emerging technologies. Think about the possibilities when RPA is combined with artificial intelligence, or AI. We're talking about intelligent automation, where machines not only perform tasks but also learn and adapt over time. This could be a game changer, leading to even more efficiencies and improvements in decision-making. But the future of RPA is not just about overcoming challenges or integrating with other technologies. It's also about the potential advancements within the field of RPA itself. Imagine a future where RPA tools become even more user-friendly, where non-technical staff can design and implement their own automation solutions. This democratization of technology could lead to a significant increase in the adoption and impact of RPA. Of course, these are just potential futures. The actual future of RPA will depend on a myriad of factors, including technological advancements, market dynamics, and societal attitudes towards automation. The future of RPA is uncertain, but let's summarize our discussion to draw some conclusions. So is RPA really dying, or is it just on the brink of a new evolution? We've journeyed through the past, present, and anticipated future of robotic process automation, or RPA. We've seen how RPA, once a buzzword in the tech world, has been met with both soaring enthusiasm and stark criticism. Let's take a moment to recap. In the past, RPA was a trailblazer, revolutionizing how businesses operate. It eliminated repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic roles. It was indeed the golden child of automation. Fast forward to the present, and the shine seems to have dulled a little. There are murmurs that RPA is dying. Critics argue that it's a mere band-aid solution, unable to address deep-seated operational inefficiencies. They point to the difficulty in scaling RPA solutions and the complexity of managing bot-driven processes. On the other hand, proponents of RPA argue that it's not dying, but evolving. They see RPA as a stepping stone, a necessary phase in the larger journey towards intelligent automation. They highlight how RPA is now integrating with artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, unlocking new levels of efficiency and effectiveness. Looking towards the future, we see a landscape fraught with both challenges and opportunities. As businesses strive to become more agile, RPA will need to evolve to meet these demands. The integration with cognitive technologies will be key. However, the path is not without obstacles. Issues of scalability, process complexity, and the need for continuous maintenance and management of bots will need to be addressed. So, is RPA dying? Or is it merely in the throes of metamorphosis, shedding its old skin to emerge as a more intelligent and capable version of itself? The answer to this question is not black and white. It's a spectrum of grays filled with nuances and dependent on a multitude of factors. The death or evolution of RPA will depend on how it adapts to the challenges and opportunities ahead. Only time will tell.